Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix freezing in Valorant. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, in this case, there are going to be multiple factors why your Valorant or your game in Valorant is actually freezing. So, in this case, the first thing that you need to look at is going to be your hardware. Now, if your PC is on the lower side of things here, then unfortunately, that would actually impact how Valorant actually runs on your PC. Now, in this case, if your PC is pretty low end, then the freezing option, or in this case, the freezing issue here is stemmed on your actual PC. Now, in this case, for you to get around that, you need to change a few things or close a few things on your PC. So in this case, first is you need to access your device manager. So in this case, you go ahead and type in, or in this case, click on your keyboard, Control Shift Escape at the same time, and Task Manager would actually open up. Now, you could also just type in Task Manager on the search bar at the bottom left here to access this window. Now, in here, what we need to do is you need to actually search for apps that is consuming a lot of memory or disk. So in this case, for example, we have Google Chrome here, which is currently using 1,500 megabytes of data here, which is quite a lot. So I would suggest you to close any browsers that you have right now. In this case, go ahead and click on it. Click on End Task at the bottom right here to close it. Now, in this case, once you've closed your browser here, you would actually see a lot of improvement on your game. So, in this case, that is one of the first things that you need to do here. Now, another thing that you could actually do here is to basically make sure that you currently have the latest updates on your driver. So depending on your PC, you might need to basically visit a few things. Like if you have AMD, you need to open up AMD Software Advanced Edition here. Go ahead and click on the update button at the top right once you've actually opened it up. But then again, this actually is different, or it actually differs depending on the current or your, in this case, your current graphics driver or your graphics card that you have installed right now. In this case, go and click on download, wait for it to install, and once you've done that, go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't work or that doesn't actually solve the issue, then in this case, you need to change your performance options here. Now, the bottom left, go ahead and go to search here. Just type in for performance options. Now, from here, you want to actually look for the option for adjust appearance and performance here. So if you don't see that, just type in performance. Let's go and open it up. And from here, what you want to do here is if you've actually set this to address for best appearance, you want to actually set this to adjust for best performance. Because when you actually adjust this to best performance, this will actually impact a lot of things. But the only downside here is it's going to actually move some animations and transparency. So in this case, you might not have that smooth transitions or smooth pop-ups that you see on your Windows 10 if you have this in adjust for best appearance. But you could also customize this by disabling one of the animations, fade here and show shadows. So this would actually impact your PC by a lot. In this case, once you switch over to adjust to best performance, clicking on apply and OK, that would actually solves a lot, or in this case, speeds up your PC. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.